Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create server templates on Discord and how you can kind of like share it, I guess. So if you have to own the server. So go to server settings here. And you're going to find a server template, which is under your server name. You're going to name the template title, and then here, for instance, gaming Discord. You're going to select the description as well, generate template, and then you're going to copy and share it to people who want the same kind of like generally the same display of server. They can change. It says here templates will copy channels and channel topics, roles and permissions, and default server settings, but they will not copy messages and stuff like that. So yeah, if people want kind of like the similar server template as yours, you can share it like that. I'm just going to delete this one though because it's not very good. This is just random. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!